Welcome to the Flag Files, telling history through fabric and form. Ireland's flag may look simple, green, white, and orange, but behind it lies a complex history of rebellion, religion, and the search for unity. This is the story of the Irish tricolour. Before Ireland had a national flag, it already had powerful symbols. The color green had been linked to Irish identity for centuries, appearing in legends like that of Guide del Glas, where the green mark from a snakebite became a symbol of the Irish people. By the 1640s, Irish Catholic Confederates used a green harp flag, a green field with a golden harp, which became a recurring banner in uprisings and national movements. By the late 1600s, green ribbons were worn for St. Patrick's Day, and green became a general symbol of Irish nationalism and resistance. In the 1790s, the United Irishmen, inspired by the French Revolution, used a green flag with a harp as their emblem. In response, the Orange Order was founded in 1795 to celebrate Protestant loyalty to William of Orange. By the early 1800s, Ireland's political divide had taken on clear symbolic colors: green for Catholics and nationalists, orange for Protestant loyalists. But for Ireland to become whole, a new symbol and a new flag would be needed. The Irish tricolour first appeared in 1848, a year of revolution across Europe. In March of that year, Thomas Francis Meagher, a leader of the Young Ireland movement, unveiled a new flag from a second-floor window in Waterford. It was a vertical tricolour of green, white, and orange, inspired by the French flag, and gifted to him by a group of sympathetic French women. Meagher explained, "The green represents Catholics, the orange represents Protestants, and the white in between signifies a lasting peace between them." It was a radical symbol of inclusion, not just rebellion. For a brief period, Irish crowds flew the tricolour alongside the French flag at rallies. But while Meagher's tricolour was celebrated in 1848, it didn't take root immediately. The green harp flag remained more recognizable and was still considered the national banner by most. After 1848, the tricolour faded from public view. It remained a revolutionary ideal, but not an everyday flag. Even into the 20th century, the green harp flag held sway at national events. Early versions of the tricolour varied widely. Colors were sometimes reversed. Orange was mistaken for yellow, and some flags even added blue for Presbyterians or used horizontal layouts. The symbolism of green, white, and orange persisted, but the flag was not standardized or officially recognized. To many, it was simply the Sinn Féin flag, associated with rebellion, not national identity. Still, the tricolour quietly remained a symbol of hope for unity, waiting for its moment to return. That moment came in 1916, during the Easter Rising. As rebels seized control of Dublin's General Post Office, Gearoid O'Sullivan raised the tricolour above the building. For the first time, the flag flew as a banner of an Irish republic. During the War of Independence, the tricolour was embraced by revolutionaries and became the de facto flag of the Irish Republic declared in 1919. But after the Anglo-Irish Treaty, divisions emerged again. Pro-treaty forces adopted the flag for the Irish Free State, while anti-treaty Republicans saw it as their own, leading to conflicting claims. Even so, the tricolour had captured the imagination of the public and was firmly on its way to becoming Ireland's national flag. Between 1922 and 1937, the tricolour was widely used by the Irish Free State, though it had no constitutional status. It flew at public buildings, embassies, and sporting events. When Ireland joined the League of Nations in 1923, the flag was presented internationally for the first time, drawing public interest in Geneva. Still, not everyone accepted it. Anti-treaty Republicans considered the tricolour the flag of the Irish Republic, not the Free State. Songs like "Take It Down from the Mast" accused the government of stealing the flag from true Republicans. A 1928 British document even suggested the Irish government had adopted the flag provisionally to keep it from being monopolized by Sinn Féin. In 1937, Ireland adopted a new constitution, and with it, the tricolour was finally enshrined as the official national flag. The symbolism was formally reinforced. Green stood for Irish Catholics and nationalists, orange for Protestants and Unionists, white for lasting peace and unity between them. Despite this, misuse persisted, especially replacing orange with yellow, which the government clearly rejected. The Department of the Taoiseach emphasized that the proper flag must show green, white, and orange, no substitutions. Over time, the tricolour has become a symbol of inclusion for all Irish people and remains widely used across the Republic and by nationalists in Northern Ireland. Today, the flag stands not just for history or territory, but for the enduring hope of peace between two traditions. From rebellion and revolution to reconciliation and nationhood, Ireland's flag carries more than color. That's it for this episode of Flag Files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with a new flag and a new story. Until then, take care.